makeup and he was like, make a heart with me. No, I did not mean you. I once went to a hairdresser without makeup and he was like, and I was like, but anyways, I love my natural skin, but let's do makeup because we gotta head out, get our nails done, get a laser done. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, and I'm feeling good. Because Papa's coming tomorrow, and I'm super excited, so let's get ready for festive season, because look at this. We've got so much work, plus the decorations are not done, so my goodness, plus the dress is not fitting, so I have to figure that also out. Let's go. Firstly, I have a 2 p.m. appointment to get my nails done, so let's do makeup and head out. I got a lot of pimples, but I only have them in the T-zone where I usually put my concealer, so today we're going to buy a new concealer, even though mine is half like full, but this is by far the best concealer that I've used. The difference is astronomical. This one's so cute. This one's so fucked, bro. My eyeliner is half cooked. Tell me what you need. I'll be in the morning. Do not worry, it all settles down. That's it. Let's go. Oh my god, I have like a video to shoot before I go. I just got a message about it and I'm freaking the fuck out. Wait, how long is it gonna take? Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what we can do. I just got done with it and I'm just gonna change. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted. Into better clothes. Let me show you my fit. I could not book a Rapido on time, so I got my personal driver. 17, 18, 91 is the OTP, sir.
1705, sir.
1705. I look so cutesy. I'm so happy. Make a heart with me. No, I did not mean you. I mean... Buongiorno, Senora. Yes, she's getting her nails done. She's that girl who gets her nails done. Even if I'm not getting my nails done, I'm doing my own nails. Yes, I have done my own nails so many times. Like, I literally know what's good, what's not good for your nails. So I'm the best girl to tell you which salon you should go and should not go. वाला लेंथ रखे अच्छा लग रहा है ना
आपका ऊपर में और रख सकता है ऐसा।
अरे वो तो गणपति के लिए मैं करवा रही हूँ तो फिर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना इतने बड़े बड़े थोड़ा छोटा कर लेंगे and this one they just do it like the shape is so the size and everything. Also he talks to you the entire time so you don't even feel like it's been 3 hours. You know, I love the service. When the salon just gives you the best service, oh, I love it. I am somebody who wants to know about his life, like entirely. Like, I know this guy's girlfriend now. I know he's 1 year younger to me. I know everything about him. How many years, how many months he's been in this city. I know everything. And he also knows everything. So if you've wronged me in the past, darling, there is a nail art guy who knows about you and he's gonna fuck your nails up if you go there. But since you are a good girl in my graces, let me just tell you, oh, what a roller coaster this was. Literally, I went with an inspo. This was the inspo. Pinterest always wrongs me. I'll tell you why. I got them done and halfway through I was like, no, these are not even looking good. Like Ganpati is literally tomorrow. Let me just now fuck my nails up. So I changed the plan and then we went the Becca Bloom route. She always does these red nails and I really want them. And फिर मैंने करवाया and now I look like a Dracula. I did not like it. So he told me, cat eye maybe? So we also tried cat eye. That also did not work for me because I'm a dog girl. That just did not make any sense. sense, but you understand. But then somewhere deep down in my heart, I was like, Akshita, get brown on top of red. That's the best combination. And I got that, and oh my god, these are by far the best nails I've gotten because they just give me so much character. Like, I've been disappointed by this one cafe so many times because they just don't do it best, you know. You've got the captain, just do it better. I literally ordered a capri sandwich with sourdough and they put tomato, obviously, feta cheese, I think, feta cheese, balsamic vinegar. I can't see the balsamic vinegar, but with that, kakadi dala, cucumber. Who does that? Who does that? Like, I like it, but people do not like it. So, Radha, what's happening? What's happening? I don't want to complain, but I'm like, if I'm paying, I better get the best thing. Look at the nails. Now, if I do an argument, it kind of makes sense. Shut up. And dance. The background noise is of a kid crying because he's getting his hair cut. Anyways, I'm getting my pedicure. I'm so happy right now. Just got a pedicure and then I'm wearing mules. That's like a health hazard in itself because my leg is slipping. Hey bestie, this is like a telepathy test between both of us. Can you actually read my mind? If you can. Oh, thank you so much. And you already know where I'm going. I'm going for shopping. Because I want to get a new lipstick. By the way, I'm literally fighting for my life here because this guy thought that he's a Max Verstappen guy. I don't know why I did that action, bro. He's literally driving crazy and my brain is going jumbo mumbo. Sir, you're not Max Verstappen. You're not even Oscar Piastri. Let me show you all the makeup I got. You got the concealer. What's up, bitch?
मी विचारलं हाय कसं काय ग
You got lipstick.
सरप्राईज एकदम तुम्हाला
Oh no, this is the bronzer.
मी विचारलं आज
मी तुम्हाला दाखवते.
पाऊस जोरात काय का केव्हा आली
काय मी आता 7:30 ला आले.
हा
हा आणि कपडे बदललो आणि
मग कोण आलं
मी येऊ माझी मम्मी गेली दुसऱ्या गाडीत येतात.
हो मला
हा बाहेर बसतात.
बाकी ब्राउन्सर आहे.
करते ना
नाही चालेल तुला नाही चालेल. आणि
कुठे
lipstick
घेतलं?
आहे.
हे काय
हे ब्रॉन्झर इकडे लावायचं तर फेस छोटा दिसतो. ते काय आपला जाडा फेस आहे ना, माझे गाल तुमच्यावर पडलीत का की
तू थोडं
तसं
पिलं
थोडं
ना, दूध-
शेप द्यायला
दूध.
पडतं.
पण किती त्याच्याने माणूस असा हे दिसतो
फुललेला
हा
खाल्ल्या पित्या करायचा.
खाता पिता नाही असा म्हणजे काय म्हणतं असा खुशी वाटतो त्याच्यात असं मुरझेलेला नाही दिसत. या कधी पण आजारी राहो काय राहो एक याचा हे नाही जात चाम.
आपल्याला बोटॉक्स घ्यायची म्हणजे गरज नाही आहे. आणि मी ही नवीन लिपस्टिक घेतली.
लोक त्याच्यासाठी काय काय करवतात. हा
मस्त आहे ना, छान कलर ना. आणि ही लावली तसं ग्लॉसी असते.
तू कुठे घेतली
हे नाही का
कुठे आहे
मी लावते.
You have to drink it. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
225.
Look at the smacking feast and the birthday boy.
Hello.
Yeah, this is so crazy good. Orange tiramisu and Basque cheesecake with berry compote. The photographer, the marketing guy is right over here. Ajay, tu kai?
आ जाओ सब. 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You have to roll this.
Oh, sis.
Thank you so much. ब्लो करे वेळेस नाही नाही ब्लो नाही नुसतं असं बघायचं. इकडे बघू कॅमेरा करा.
कॅमेरा
Daddy, looking at me. Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Start.
all thanks to me and Arjun. We are finally done with the decoration, the Ganpati decoration. It took us 4 hours to do the entire thing, and tomorrow it's gonna look amazing. I just got, like, my mom got the plants, and the table we already had that. So just the backdrop is what we did, and yeah, it looks fabulous. At least in the morning, it'll look amazing.